Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new on my channel, please subscribe, like and share the video for more videos. Today I am gonna be making coconut rice. So here is my rice, and I'm gonna pot boil this rice. Some people get rice already pot boiled, but I am gonna pot boil mine and then take it from there. Okay guys, this is my rice. I washed it about 4 times to wash the starch out, and I put it in my rice cooker, and I'm gonna boil it for about 35 minutes. So I put it on brown because it is brown rice, and let it cook, steam for about 35 minutes. Alright guys, while the rice is pot boiling, I'm gonna show you my ingredients for the rice. It's gonna be coconut vegetable rice. Ooh, with some shrimp. Look at that, yummy. I'm already hungry just seeing all this line up on my table. So here I have some garlic. I have hot habanero pepper. I like my food a little spicy. Because I have kid, I only put just one. If it was just by myself, I'd probably put 2. And I have an onion, and I'm gonna slice it. When I put a little drop of vegetable oil in my pot, I'll slice the onion and put it in there for it to warm up a little bit to give me that smell. That smell of onion is everything to me. And I'm gonna peel this, slice it, and blend it. And I'm gonna also just chop up the tomato and then fry it. And then I have my coconut milk. See, I opened it already. And I'm gonna put that in the rice, so it's gonna be coconut vegetable rice. I have my honorable shrimp sitting right here, and here I have all kinds of mixed vegetable. This is frozen. I have corn, I have carrots, I have peppers, I have green beans, I have broccoli, and yeah, this is my ingredients ready for my rice. While I'm waiting for the rice to pot boil, I'm gonna go ahead and start getting the ingredients together in the pot, and then I will let you see how it turns out. Yes, and guys, another one thing that I forgot to mention is these bouillon cubes. I'm gonna put 3. Those are very essential, and please don't forget salt. Those bouillon cubes, this is a container. I get it from Sam's Club. In Cameroon we call it Maggi. So we call it Maggi. So this is beef bouillon. And pardon me if I'm not pronouncing it well. It's a French name. I can speak a little bit of French, but I'm not a francophone. Thank you. Alright, I have my pot and I heat it up, and I'm gonna put a little bit of vegetable oil. I don't measure my oil, I just put a little bit, and I'm not a fan of oil. You just do just a little bit. My husband will not eat if there is too much oil in the food. He's not an oily person. I mean, it's just being healthy. Just a little bit is healthy enough. Alright, this is tomato, blend tomato, added onto my fried onion, and I'm just gonna fry this. So I blend the garlic, ginger, and then I added the tomato and then just crush it and then put it in the onion. Let it to fry, let all the water, cook all the water. After that, and then I'm gonna add the shrimps to cook. When I put the shrimps, I'm gonna put a little bit of salt, just a little bit, to make the shrimps tasteful. After the shrimps cook a little bit, then I'm gonna put the vegetables. While the rice is almost done, when the rice is done, and then I'm just gonna mix everything together. Alright guys, this is the tomato fried, and time for me to add the shrimp. I add the shrimp and stir it. Yes, like I said, when I add the shrimp, I put a little bit of salt, just a little bit. So I'm going to show you the quantity I'm going to put, just to make it's not up to a teaspoon, it's just a big spoon I use. Make the shrimps tasteful. See there. And we're gonna let it sit. So at this moment, I am gonna put my coconut milk. I'm not gonna put too much. I'm not gonna put all. Well, I decided to put all because my rice, quantity of my rice is a little bit more. So I put the coconut milk and the fried tomato with the shrimp, and I will close the pot to heat up for a little bit, maybe 5 minutes, just to cook the shrimps. See, when the shrimp heat up a little bit, then I'm gonna add my vegetables as well. Alright guys, at this moment, see how the heat is coming out. Whew, the aroma that is coming out of my house is something else. I'm gonna go ahead and add some veggies. Vegetables are healthy for us, especially at this time of the year where we are all combating with our health. Vegetable is the way out, the ultimate. While praying and staying home, eating healthy is very essential. Here is my vegetables. I'm gonna let them to steam for about 4 minutes, and then I will put the rice and mix it up. Yep. Vegetables. So that. Here. Now everything is ready. All we need is just to add rice onto all this made sauce. This is now vegetable sauce awaiting rice. Alright guys, this is the rice. It's all steamed up. Just ready to mix it into that yummy sauce, and rice will be ready. This is, it looks delicious now. Steamed white rice now. Alright guys, I put the rice and I'm gonna mix it together. See, I already put the little rice and I'll mix it and show you how it looks like. Just mix it with the sauce, mix everything together. Alright guys, this is how the rice, finished look of the rice. This is how it looks like. Very yummy, ready to be served. Alright guys, this is the finished look of my today coconut rice. You can see some of my fruits. Have some watermelon and some cantaloupes. These are vegetables. We call it green in Cameroon, but you can see substitute this with spinach. And this is the rice right here. Table is set, ready to eat. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like my recipe, please comment, or if you have another way of cooking your own rice. I have a whole lot of ways of cooking fried rice. If you want to know different ways of making the rice, please comment on the comments below. Share the video, subscribe, like for more video. If you have an idea about something you want me to share a video about, please let me know in the comment box below. Again, it's your girl Carol Bright. Thank you for tuning in. Stay safe, stay home, and stay safe and eat healthy.